The best tiny stickers wedding favors products, period. Make wedding favor names for every one of your endowments to say thank you to your visitors for going to your uncommon day. You can make marks for treats, blessing sacks, boxes, or any sort of customized wedding endowments. From pre-wedding party favors, to wedding shower favors, add an uncommon touch to your treats by adding its own customized mark. Make customized treats, similar to Hershey's Kisses, by adding custom round marks, an ideal fit for the lower part of the chocolate. Incorporate a photograph of the lady of the hour and groom, or the wedding party, to show your visitors you're happy they were there to celebrate. 75 inches round name, and incorporate either photographs, a charming wedding symbol, or just content, with names, the occasion date, or a straightforward bless your heart. Wedding favor names can fit on pretty much anything. You should simply choose the shape and size of the mark you need to accommodate your kindnesses, and you're ready. Make your name's extravagant shape, heart molded, or if you have an explicit work of art as a major priority, you can make it pass on sliced to the picture. Spread love instead of germs. These adorable stickers are designed to go on hand sanitizer bottles, sold separately, that can be sent away as wedding reception party favors. All will enjoy your thoughtfulness in delivering protection goods as favors, and the cute in sickness and in health note on each bottle will delight them. Vinyl is a kind of material that is used to personalize with 2 lines of text, 4 dozen per unit 1.5 inch Idea 1 personalized wedding pocket back sanitizer labels. Heat the guests' hearts with delicious sweets. It's ideal for wedding receptions and anniversary celebrations. Individualized a pair of hearts stickers with 2 intertwined hearts in the middle and your customized notes surrounding it are attached to the bottom of the chocolates. Personalize for up to 18 characters/spaces per line on 2 lines. Vinyl is a kind of material that is used to, each unit contains 60 pieces, there is no candy included. Just use wrapped candy if you want to eat it. Idea 2 hearts personalized stickers. It's perfect for expressing love and gratitude. Silver heart thank you stickers will be used to decorate wedding favor bags, thank you cards, and reception tables. Thank you for joining in our special day, says each heart-shaped sticker. Idea 3 silver heart thank you stickers. Stickers with 2 hearts that can be personalized as wedding favors. 2 hearts wedding favor stickers bring a special touch to your wedding favors. These custom stickers are perfect for wedding shower services, giveaways, and treat bags. Make it your own with 3 lines of 16 characters/spaces each. Paper is a material that can be used to make Idea 4 personalized 2 hearts wedding favor stickers. With your grin, seal your wedding invitations. Seal envelopes, invites, gift boxes, favor bags, and everything else you can think of with these customized wedding favor stickers. Include a snapshot of your wedding or when you and your sweetheart first kissed. With these wonderful stickers, you may flaunt your devotion to the world before officially saying I do. Add 2 lines of text and 1 digital picture to make it your own. Idea 5 personalized custom photo wedding favor stickers. With your grin, seal your wedding invitations. Seal envelopes, invites, gift boxes, favor bags, and everything else you can think of with these customized wedding favor stickers. Include a snapshot of your wedding or when you and your sweetheart first kissed. With these wonderful stickers, you may flaunt your devotion to the world before officially saying I do. Add 2 lines of text and 1 digital picture to make it your own. Idea 6 custom photo simple candy bar labels. Create sweet custom party favors in a snap. Great for wedding favors or handing out at an event. All you'll have to do is add your own photo, your own text, and then wrap the label around your favorite candy bars. Personalize with 2 lines of text after uploading a file. Idea 7 custom photo simple candy bar labels. You'll get the ultimate wedding favor sticker in no time if you add your names and wedding date. This addition to personalized wedding items is perfect for stationery, wedding thank you card envelope seals, sealing favor bags, adding a sticker to favors, and so much more. Add 3 lines of text to make it your own. Idea 8 personalized white floral wedding oval favor stickers. On your wedding day, these personalized fairy tale wedding favor stickers will help you translate your thoughts into sentences. Happily ever after, as they claim, is a sentiment you will want to use to characterize your relationship. These stickers are ideal for use as party favors or to seal the envelopes of invites and thank you cards. Distribute them at bridal showers, engagement celebrations, and wedding receptions. Personalize for up to 20 characters/spaces per line on 2 lines. Idea 9 Personalized Fairy Tale Wedding Favor Stickers. Personalize your favor bags and boxes with these custom wedding decorations. To add a special touch, simply put the sticker over the package or bag's closure. Place the stickers affixed bags and boxes on your reception tables. Personalize for 2 lines, 3 characters/spaces on the first line and 8 characters/spaces on the second line. Idea 10 Personalized Lovebirds Wedding Favor Stickers.
Please subscribe, please like, thank you for watching.